Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and that way you'll never miss out on another free pick a card reading. I do one every single Friday. Sometimes I like to throw one in like today. So today we're going to be talking about August love. We're going to be focusing on the energy of love in August and how it's going to affect you and how it's going to come into your life. Blocks, obstacles, whatever the case may be. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to do is pick card number 1, 2, or 3. Or you're gonna pick Lakshmi, you're gonna pick Shiva Shakti, or you're gonna pick Shiva, Shakti, and Ganesh, their family portrait. So whatever you're drawn to, go ahead and pick that. Okay, so for everybody that picked card group number 1 or the Lakshmi card, so here's the energy of love in August for you. So the first card is Lemuria Returns, and this is earthly spirituality, community, and conservation. So this means that in the month of August, it seems like the love energy is going to be very feminine and motherly for you. You might be pregnant, or you might find out that you are going to get pregnant. Something regarding just very feminine aspect of yourself, and you're going to feel more feminine too. In August, you're going to feel like you want to be more girly, you want to dress up a little bit more, or just your more feminine aspect is going to come out more, which means when your feminine aspect comes out more, you're more gentle and caring, you're more understanding, you listen more, you're very more like loving and softer and kinder and gentle versus you being very like defensive and attacking and angry and whatever, you know. It just seems like the energy of love in August is going to be softer and more beautiful and gentle and understanding and romantic. And that comes to the second card, which is surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with a uniqueness and a worth that come from just being you. So in the month of August, it seems like the love energy is more going to go inwards. You're going to cultivate this self-love. You're going to cultivate a lot of love for who you are, and you're going to embrace your own values, your own thoughts, your own opinions, and you're going to kind of like let go of the influence of other people in your life when it comes to love. Especially if you're in a relationship, this is going to make your relationship very special and unique, and it's gonna just bring out more happiness in the relationship when you can let go of everybody else's thoughts and opinions. And this is what's gonna happen in August, where you're just gonna be like screw you, I'm gonna do whatever I want, I'm gonna be in this relationship and do whatever I want in it. Like if your family is saying like, no, this is not good for you, you're just gonna be in this, like for the past few months you may have been like, maybe I should listen to my family, maybe, you know, they have a point, whatever. But in August, you're just gonna be like, no, I wanna be happy, I wanna be in this relationship, and you guys can have your thoughts and opinions, but you need to respect my decision. So that's kind of like the energy in August too. And if you're single, it just seems like you're just gonna be like in this mentality where, you know what, like I love myself and I love who I am, and I deserve somebody who will love me exactly the way I love me. And it's just going to be that kind of a lot of strong love energy. And then you got the Angel of Annihilation card, Hasmed. Now this is a card where this kind of concludes the reading, where it's all about you in August, and it's about how you feel love, and a lot of love coming towards you as an individual, whether you're in a relationship or not. You're gonna feel a lot of feminine love energy in August. And it comes to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, the goddess of abundance. She bestows blessings on you. So in the month of August, just expect you to find the magic of who you are, to like a lot of love energy coming into your life, beautiful love energy, and a lot of shit that you're gonna release in August that it's just preventing you from embracing love. So very exciting. I love this reading for you. It's just a very beautiful reading, and thank you so much for watching. For everybody that picked card group number 2 or the Shiva and Shakti card, let's go ahead and see what is the love reading for you in August. So the first card that comes up is the Mirror card, Know Thyself, self-examination, seeing who you really are. The second card is Surrender to Spirit. That's interesting. Once you've done everything you can to achieve a goal, turn the situation over to the divine. Let spirit work its magic for you. And then we got the card of Binah. This is left eye and knowledge. Okay. So this reading reminds me a lot of when you start seeing the number 666 a lot, the synchronicity behind that number. A lot of people get scared of it, but here is like my interpretation of seeing 666. It's actually one of my favorite numbers to see. I get really, really excited when I do see it, because it's like an unraveling of your soul. It's like a layer of yourself being peeled away, a layer of yourself that was created as like a defense like mechanism, a layer of yourself you created like that became a wall. to blocking you from getting what you want, blocking you from love. And that layer of yourself is coming to an end. You're getting rid of it. And that's what 666 is. It's like this layer of yourself that is falling apart, that just did not need to be with you anymore. Like this, it could be an emotion, a habit, a relationship, whatever it was. Like it's coming out of your life. In August, there's something you're going to be releasing, whether it's an emotion, a person, whatever. And once you release that, you're going to feel this shift in the energy of love, like a huge shift. And you're going to start to see yourself differently in August too, or you're going to start to look at yourself in the mirror in August and you're going to be like, damn, I really like my eyelashes today, or I really like the way my face looks today. I really like my skin. I really love the way my butt looks. Like it's going to be that kind of energy where in August you're going to pass by the mirror and you're going to be like, damn, I really like the way I look today. Like it's going to be that kind of a beautiful energy. And when you feel that energy inside of you, you create one of the strongest vibrations ever, because you create that inside of you. Nobody will ever be able to understand, like, there's something about her. I can't put my finger on it. There's something different about her. She even like looks different to me, but there's nothing that I see visibly that changed. And nobody could ever take that away from you because it came from within you. That vibration is like from within you. That's what's going to happen in August, and that's what's going to draw people towards you. You're going to notice a lot of people coming towards you. You're going to be drawing attention from people, and that's where the card of knowledge comes. I think that it would be a really, really good idea for you to read The Art of Seduction. This is a book that teaches you kind of how to use your voice and your body language, yourself, your knowledge, your talents to influence people and influence like communities and stuff. And it's a beautiful book, and you know, it's very occultic, and there's a lot of tactics in there you could use to get your way and stuff. And I just feel like this is something that the universe is kind of bringing to your attention right now in August, to tell you like, hey, you have so much power in your voice, your body language, your energy, your words. Like you have so much power, and it's time for you to tap into that power, especially regarding your love life in August. You're going to realize your own power when it comes to love in August. The way you can draw power, the way you can invite power, the way you can attract power, not power, the way you can draw love, the way you can attract love, the way you can invite love energy into your life. You're going to, like, these secrets are going to be revealed to you in August. So that's so freaking exciting. And then the fact that you got the Shiva and Shakti card, they balance each other out. They are lovers, and they reincarnate to be with each other in every lifetime. Like it's a beautiful love story. And so like that's the energy of August for you. It's just this beautiful love story between you and yourself. Whether you're in a relationship or not, you're going to feel more love towards yourself if you're single. And if you're in a relationship, there's going to be a lot more love energy. Like your partner is going to notice you and be like, there's something different about you, but they will never be able to figure it out because it's coming from within you. I hope this reading helped and gave you a little bit of clarity. Thank you so much for watching. For everybody that picked card group number 3 or the Shiva family portrait, let's go ahead and see what is the love energy in August for you. First off, right off the bat, the fact that you picked the Shiva and Shakti family portrait with Ganesh is their baby. This is a month of like focusing on family and loved ones and just having a good, loving, genuine time with your family, enjoying the moments and just cherishing the time you get to spend with your family. That's the energy of August. It seems like there's also going to be a lot of just relaxed energy when it comes to love, and a lot of truth coming out where you're going to be able to see like, okay, this person or this energy or this thing is affecting my family life like this. This is affecting my love life like this. You're going to start to see like, okay, I need to get rid of this. I need to stop thinking this. I need to start thinking more of this. You're going to start to like your mind, like it seems like your mind is becoming clear. The fog is lifting in the month of August when it comes to love. Like in your relationships with other people and your relationship with your partner, and if you're single too, if you're single, this is your relationship with yourself, that now you're starting to see clearly, okay, wait, I need to give up this, and this, and I need to do more of this, and this. And like you'll want to do things, like you'll want to get rid of certain things, and then you'll want to bring certain things into your life. And that's the energy, because you'll see like, okay, like, damn, okay, if I clean this area of my house, it just feels better. And when it feels better, when I feel better, I start to release this vibration where my partner feels it, and then it just kind of changes the energy of the whole relationship and the whole house. So this is what you're going to start to notice, is like little things here and there that you can change and shift, and then you're going to start to see like, damn, that really changed the whole energy. And that's when, and in the month of August, it also seems like you're going to connect more with your intuition and your higher self and God, or whatever it is that you believe in, the universe, God, whatever you believe in. And that's where the Angel of Truth card comes in, is you're going to get to connect with something bigger than yourself, where you're going to be receiving answers, and you're going to be receiving like secrets from the universe. Like, okay, you do this, put this here, like put this rose quartz here, get a rose quartz, or get some flowers, or change this painting on your wall, or maybe put a family portrait on your wall, hint, hint, like just invite love energy into your home, and you're going to start getting messages. Like the universe is going to put thoughts in your head. You're going to get inspired and creative, where you're going to be like, I want to do this. I want to create, I want to make this family portrait, and I want to put it in this beautiful frame. You might even want to make the frame yourself, like things like that. You're going to get really creative, and it's going to invite a lot of love energy into your house and into your life, whether you're in a relationship or not. So the next card that comes up is the Surrender Fear card. This says, let go of the fearful stories you're telling yourself. Stay in the moment and focus on solutions, and celebrate every baby step forward. I think I read that already, but I feel like I needed to read that again. So whatever you've been taught from TV, movies, your parents, other relationships, whatever you have been taught that a relationship needs to look like, in the month of August, you're going to be unraveling that, and you're unlearning all the bullshit that you've learned. And now you're going to be like, no, I want my relationship to look like this, this, and this. And even though society thinks that the relationships are supposed to look like this, scrap that. Like, I don't want that. Like, you're going to be, it's gonna, like, yeah, like the fog is gonna be lifting, and you're gonna know exactly what you want and exactly what you need to do. So I hope that this reading gave you a little bit of clarity and perspective. Thank you so much for watching this bonus reading. And oh, if you guys are interested, make sure to check out my store. I get a lot of questions about restocking my store, because stuff just sells out so quickly. This is like super blurry, but I have my Hanuman sprays restocked, and I also made these new 9-day candles. They're prepped with herbs. This is Lakshmi, for inviting abundance. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead, head to my store. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.